I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging on your Android. This lets Windows talk to the phone directly. Once done, confirm phone link or the OEM USB drivers are installed on Windows because missing drivers block connections. Plug a good cable or switch both devices to the same Wi-Fi network for wireless connection. Make sure your phone is unlocked and set to file transfer or the appropriate connection mode. This prevents permission prompts from halting progress. Now you establish the link. If using USB, connect and choose file transfer or USB debugging ADB when the phone prompts. Accept the computer's RSA key if asked. For wireless, open phone link or the Connect app on Windows, follow the pairing QR or code and confirm pairing on the phone. Grant required permissions, file access, contacts, notifications, because Windows needs these for features like file browsing and message sync. If one step fails, recheck Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or reconnect the cable. Finish by confirming the phone shows up in File Explorer or within Phone Link. Once visible, transfer files, mirror the screen, or run ADB commands for advanced tasks. Make sure transfer is complete before disconnecting to avoid corruption. If something goes wrong, try a known good USB cable first, then reboot both devices and update drivers or the Phone Link app. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggling USB debugging off and on or reauthorizing the computer usually resolves stubborn permission or recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.